Good morning, students. As you all know, in lesson 2, kinds of sentences, we all have completed lesson exercise 1. So, we start with the exercise 2. Before completing the exercise 2, you all have to know that what do you mean by helping verb. As I have told you earlier also that what do you mean by helping verb? Helping verbs are the verbs that help the main verb to describe the action. That action happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. This small box I have made for you to know you that what do you mean by helping verb? Helping verbs are am, are, been, being, can, could, did, do, does, had, has, have, is, may, might, must, shall, should, was, were, will. Helping verb or auxiliary verb help the main verb. Main verb means action part to describe the action. That action will be happen in the past, present or happen in the future. So these all words are used as helping verbs. So let's begin with the exercise B. Change the following assertive sentence into interrogative form. In this first sentence is given, Ankur is the topper of class 4th. You have to change this statement into interrogative. So as I told you above that what do you mean by helping verb? So we first search out in this statement what is the helping verb given in this sentence. So Ankur is the topper of class 4th. Here is word is used as helping verb. So what to do to change into interrogative? We have to put this is in the front of the statement like this. Is Ankur the topper of class 4th? So now the statement is changed into interrogative that is Ankur the topper of class 4th, because there is a doubt. So when we change the simple statement into interrogative, we put is the helping verb in front of the statement, and when we complete writing the sentence, at the last we put the interrogation mark. So this statement Ankur is the topper of class 4th is changed into the interrogative sentence. Next is the queen has taken her lunch. In this statement, the queen has taken her lunch. In this statement, has is the helping verb. So we put it into the front of the statement like this. When we change it into the interrogative, we have to put like this. Has the queen taken her lunch? And after when we convert it into interrogative, we have to put the question mark at the last as the interrogation mark. So the sentence change into interrogative sentence. In the third statement, the principal has punished the latecomers. Sentence is a simple statement, assertive sentence. We have to change it into the interrogative. So the rule is first you have to put the helping verb. What is helping verb in this? It is has. Has is the helping verb. So put it into the front of the statement. Has the principal punished the latecomers? and at the last question mark will be there. So the statement is changed into the interrogative sentence. Next, fourth one. He will reach here by car. In this statement, what is the helping verb? It is will, as I told you in the earlier. So it will be changed like this. Will is the helping verb here. We put it into the front of the statement. Will he reach here by car? So, and the last interrogation mark we also put it here. So, the sentence change into the interrogative sentence. And the last one, fifth one. We are going to Kashmir this year in the summer. In this statement, what is the helping verb? It is are. So, we identified are as a helping verb. We put it into the front of the sentence to change it into interrogative. Are we going to Kashmir this year in the summer? At the last, interrogation mark will be there. What you have to do? You have to complete it like this, as same I have given you in this notebook. You have to write it into the neat and clean handwriting. And homework will be that you have to first see the video, understand the video, and revise the exercise. After that, learn the definitions and exercise, revise it also. Okay, thank you.